Okay guys, welcome back to Modern Menace. This is my 11th tutorial on HTML web development. Now I am done with the tables aspect of HTML, that the aspect that involves using tables. So I'm going to begin a new topic under HTML, and this is called blocks. It's pretty short, so I think I'll introduce two topics in this video. If you do not understand after I'm done, the topics I treated after I'm done, then you can watch the video all over again. No matter the number of times, it's still learning. So let's get started. So let's say, okay, you've been hearing me saying blocks a lot of times in HTML. Blocks are like, let's say here we've got, okay, for example, here we've got a body block, we've got a head block, we've got a HTML block, which is where blocking simply means the first tag, that's of the first tag of an element, and the second tag, including everything that's inside. So a typical example here is the head block is this. So first tag, opening head tag, closing head tag, and its contents. So let's begin. So there are different examples of blocks as I showed you. There's the div, which I will soon show you. There's the header and 1, 2, and 6 block. I'll show you that. And there are some things that I really want to show you. I'm about to do that right now. So first thing I'm going to show you is the span tag or the span element. Let me type something real quick in here. London is a capital city of England. So I think this should be the capital city of England. So now we've got this here. There are ways to bolding each of the text and stuff, but let's say there are ways to bolding each and every single one of the elements or text separately. But so in short, I'm come to bolding. I want to bolding this capital. As you know, there are different ways to bolding it, but here's what I'm trying to do. Here's what I'm going to do. Let me introduce you to this new element or tag, and it's called a span tag. So this is how the span tag works. So we've got the opening span tag and the closing span tag. So we'll use the style HTML editing and formatting style in here. So whatever is in between the span tag will be edited over here. So it's like editing with a paragraph, but if you do that, it will edit the whole document. However, this span tag will only edit the text in between it. So let me change the color of this capital, of this text capital. So you are going to do color. Let me change it to blue. So let me refresh this, and this is what we get. London is the capital city of England. That is basically how the span tag works. Well, if you want to bolding it, you can just use the normal bolding tag, but if you want to, as I just did, change the color of the span tag alone, as in like highlighting it, this is the best method to use. There is no other method that can be compared to this. Let's say we want to change the background color. Just got to use background color, and I'll change that to yellow. And here's what we get. So that's basically the function of the span tag. It's you select a range of words using the span tag and edit it alone without editing the rest of the paragraph or document. Now the next tag I'm going to teach you is the div tag. After I'm done, I'll explain both of these tags to you. I think I'll make this heading 4. No, sorry, 3. Yeah, 3. And let me type London. Something just came to my mind. I don't think I've shown you this before, the horizontal rule tag. I don't remember bringing it up in any of my videos, but this is how it is. HR, then the closing tag is like it's a single tag. Let me show you what it does. It simply creates a horizontal line throughout your document. However, there is no way to create a vertical rule, so that's just what came to my mind. I decided to bring it up. Okay, now let's see, what should I type? Okay, London is the capital city of England. The capital. Sorry for that. Okay. It is the most popular city in United Kingdom. I actually wrote this down to read. I don't want to waste my time and your time thinking about something to write. Popular city in the United Kingdom, and this is definitely true. Dude, who doesn't know London? But I think I'll leave it right here. There's more, but I'll leave it right here. And now this is what I don't think one paragraph will be enough. Okay, let me just do this from here. Now, so this is what the div tag does. Unlike the span tag, which only edits a word or a group of words that's on the same line as we can see over here, on the same line as you can see over here, the div tag, however, edits or formats a group of text. That's a whole block of text. You can even use it from the beginning of the from right under the body to right on top of the opening body tag to right on top of the closing body tag. So this is basically how the div tag is. Now that's what we're going to do. Okay, so div then style is equal to, now background color, I'll make this black, comma, then color, no sorry, it's supposed to be semicolon, then color, which represents the font color, will be white. Why am I using comma today? Then font family, it should be Verdana. Okay, so save. Now as I refresh this is what we get. So everything under the block tag is going to be edited. However, let me try to, under the div tag is going to be edited. However, let me try changing this div to span, and let's see what will happen. Will this work or will it not work? It won't work, and this is because the span tag it only works for a line. Thus, you can only put the span tag in between another tag to show that it's editing something in the tag. However, the div tag can be used outside the tag. So let me change this span back to div, and this also to div. Save, refresh, and it's back to normal. Okay, now I don't think I've exhausted much enough time, so I'm going to jump right on to another thing. I want to do things quick and fast. Now no, I'd actually wanted to show you another thing, but if I add it on second thought, if I add it to this video, this tutorial right here, is going to confuse you altogether. So I'm going to stop here and create another video for that specific thing, and that's on HTML classes. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, tell your family, friends, and anyone who thinks is interested in web development to subscribe to my channel. Skyboy.